Captain Darren's here again. Welcome to my channel. I just came back from my 4-day trip in Dallas, Fort Worth. Met up with my family in Phoenix, and look at where I'm at now. We are here at the Hoover Dam with my family. We drove from Phoenix, Arizona on our way to Las Vegas. Hola, here's my familia.
Hola.
Hola. Papa.
What is that, Sophie? What's back there?
Agua.
Agua.
Hay otro, mucha agua. Hay otro.
Mucha agua.
Hay otro.
A lot of water, she's saying.
She wants to kick.
She wants to swim in Hoover Dam. We parked up here at the overlook, and there is parking down a little closer, but that's $10 per parking. So we opted to go for free parking, but take the exercise to walk towards the dam. Here's a shot looking down from the dam. This is so cool, being here at Hoover Dam and sharing the experience with my family and you guys. It's been over 20 years probably when they built that bridge there. That's the main access. But long ago, this stretch of street or road above the dam was the main access to Arizona from Nevada. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoy sharing my experience, our adventures with my family with you. If you like my videos, please consider to subscribe. It encourages me to make more videos on our vacation. This is Captain Darren. Until next time, thanks for watching.